What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I want to talk about Lucky's Leprecoin. This is a position that I've talked about a couple of times that is at an insanely low market cap that I feel like could be a memeable play in the new bull run that we will see. And it's definitely going to be very, very interesting. Again, I decided that when I saw something with this project, I was like, look, low market cap, memeable, safe, dev team is docs, just all of these things, all of the above that kind of spoke to me a little bit, where I was like, this definitely has an opportunity, kind of a lifetime, where you can get into something that's worth maybe, an $80,000 market cap and turn it into something that's worth multiple millions. And that's what happened in the first jump. So we'll talk about what has happened to Lucky's Leprecoin, where it is, the future, as well as some new things that they have going on with the project. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Rumble, you can definitely follow me on Rumble. The link will be in the description. But let's talk about Lucky's Leprecoin, because again, this is a position that if you understand what it is, the only thing that it really is the fact that it is a memeable play, and you can live off of what the concept of it is, right? It's not something that has a massive use case as of right now. It's about building popularity, bringing a community together, and also all of us within that community collecting the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, right? That's really what it all is we're trying to get to that ultimate goal and, make as much money as we can in this crypto space, not doing it maliciously. Of course, we're doing it all together as a community. While you see hedge funds and smart money, financial institutions, them all making money together by coming together and doing things in the same manner, like aggressively shorting something or aggressively buying something. Well, we can potentially do the same, and we saw that with things like Shiba Inu, things like Dogecoin, things like Pepe, and now we have Lucky's Leprecoin that could make a massive impact here. So I talked about this a while back. I talked about Lucky's Leprecoin maybe a while back, and we saw a decent sized movement, right? And it wasn't just created from me, right? I don't have that much influence to create multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars of volume into a position. I just open people's eyes to the opportunity, and when you open someone's eyes to the opportunity, another person sees it. Word of mouth gets around. You see different people that are getting interested in the play. And now you see, instead of a $80,000 market cap, a $1.6 million market cap. Now, most people that see this, they're like, okay, $1.6 million market cap, that's phenomenal. We're seeing it absolutely run. And, maybe they're like, hey, this is going to pull back at some point. And you would imagine as something does increase a heavy amount, it would pull back a decent amount as well. But at least it didn't pull back to a level to where it had less holders or the same amount of holders, or pulling back to a lesser market cap, right? So we understand that it has gotten stronger since then, and it's going to take a longer process for that to happen. It's not going to be something that happens overnight. Understand that Dogecoin was created in 2013. Shiba Inu, it took a little bit for that to take off, but Shiba Inu was more in the middle of the bull run. But then there are other ones that really didn't make a move for a while. So we're going to consistently try and, talk about this thing, gradually move along and see how this does, play out. So guys, if you could, like I said, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and dive into where Lucky's Leprecoin is and where it was. So currently the price is down about 11.7%. We're seeing it at, I believe it's 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe it's 6 zeros, 4, 3, 9, 8. Now, the reason why this has so many zeros is because it does have 711 billion Lucky's Leprecoin tokens created on the Ethereum network. You're seeing all of the supply that is released, so there's no dilution within the position, which is something that I do love to see. You also see the volume that it has, 118,000, while also seeing a $336,000 market cap. So it definitely shows you that it has potential from here, but understand that this was at an $80,000 market cap. So if we go back and look at the last 7 days, yes, things have dropped from these last 7 days as everything else in the market has kind of risen, or a lot of other things have risen. But this has dropped from this higher point of a drop 022, which was about a I don't know if it's going to show me the market cap because it is so kind of soon within the position. But it was at a 1.6, I believe 1.5, $1.6 million market cap. If we look at the last month and how this has risen, so it went from this level down here of a really low price being at $80,000 market cap all the way up to a 1.6 multiple times, or 1.5, 1.6 multiple times, and then did drop down. Now we're seeing that drop down because you have maybe people that are taking a little bit of profit, but you still have people that are buying into this position or holding into this position. So look at this, right? We started with a 100 holders. I believe it was 105 holders to start with, and now it's at 321. Now this is not thousands by any means. Like, it's not going to make a huge difference, but every single holder for me and for a lot of other people do make a huge difference. So when we find a way to get to 1,000 or 2,000 or 10,000 or 20,000 holders, that's where you start to see that strength in a position that, yes, doesn't really have a massive use case or have any use case at all at the moment, but does have some potential to move forward, right? And I know the strength within this is 100 out of 100 on the sniff score. The contract is renounced, the team is doxxed, all the things that you really want to see within a project, right? And one big form of news that I wanted to talk about is a new exchange listing. So you can actually now get Lucky's Leprecoin on Noah Swap. So if you guys wanted to, swap for Lucky's Leprecoin, you can go ahead and get that over there. So a new place to be able to purchase it, a new place to be able to buy it. With time, you're going to end up getting listed. You're going to get free listings and you're going to get paid listings because, listings now cost you anywhere from $6,000 to about $2.5 million for a tier 1 exchange. So it's going to take some time to get to the places that you want to get to. But for me, I'm seeing Lucky's Leprecoin as an opportunity to potentially get in at a very, very low point, hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of a market cap, and see that grow on the way up. And that's just me, right? I'm making that move into there. I believe into it. I would love to see it grow from $300,000 market cap to $300 million market cap. But only time will tell if we can get there, if we can see that hype that's created with it. I think it has the meme ability to it, just understanding that we're trying to get to that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. That's what it's all about, right? We're trying to get to that larger gain that we all want to see. We all missed out on maybe Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, but we want to be involved in this in the beginning. So we're going to keep talking about it and, keep pushing things out there. So if you guys enjoy this content, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Rumble if you guys want to click that link at the top of the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.